Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Alex with Finite to Freedom. Welcome back on our next video, which is the technical analysis for the charts UNH and S&P 500 Vanguard VOO. So United Health, let's bring up the chart here. There we go. Before that though, if you want to subscribe to help us grow as a channel, guys, hit the subscription button down below, hit the bell so you can turn on the notifications and you can actually receive the latest news from our channel. And hit the like button down below, and if we reach to 100 likes to every single video, then YouTube is going to suggest our videos out there and help more people with our charts or news or anything that they haven't seen. And of course, to avoid all this noise out there that they mislead with just random prices, right? And I'm going to talk about it on our next video, which is going to be about especially crypto market, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Just to give you a little bit of a heads up, there's a lot of noise out there. We've got, though, the facts are, we've got a bit of a fear, and I can show you right now where we have fear. This is the indicator about fear and greed. So what I mean fear, lots of people are invest rationally, right? And that creates fear towards us, especially, to be honest, me, right? So when something is here, you can have like the neutral, you can have fear or extreme fear. When there is fear, it's mainly because of really bad news, as we've seen tariffs, the negotiations that they weren't taking place with US and China and Europe and Mexico and Canada and so and so and so. Right now we've got greed, so we've got rationality. People are investing rationally, so they go and buy when the stock is pumping, right? That creates fear towards us. I'm not saying it's a bad thing or a good thing. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it with a simple way, but when we have greed, like they can sell whenever, right? And if we play somewhere, I'll take an example as for Nvidia, right? If I go now and invest on Nvidia with greed, there is a lot of risk there for me to lose money. And that's what I mean fear towards us. When it's fear, that's when you want to take advantage of it. So because there is fear and people don't know actually what to do, right? Because they don't look at the fundamentals of a company, they don't look the potentials, they don't look the opportunities, they don't look like facts, evidence, information, right? That's when I'm going and taking advantage of it and buying really, really low. So for example, when we had fear and extreme fear, Nvidia was at $87.93, and that's where I bought $93.95 and all these numbers. So I want to create content that it can make people avoid the noise, and it's up to you guys if you want to invest into the price or if you want to invest into the fundamentals. Me personally, I invest into the fundamentals of a company where I can see it going and if they are performing really, really well. If I go and buy the price, then I'm going to trade because I'm not gonna place something when it's really, really high. No point of that, right? So let's talk about UNH, United Health. Right, so as we can see here, it's a neutral candle. Right now, we pushed a little bit above the resistance at $307.32, but we came down. Now, what I am expecting, if we do break above again the $307.32, then I'm anticipating to trade in this gap here, which is between $307 and $342. If we do though come test and come back down, I'm anticipating the $278.44, and then we can jump back up again. But if we do break below the support level at $278.44, then I'm expecting to fill in this gap here, this small gap here, and maybe we could go further down to $237.55, but I don't think I'm seeing this happening really soon. So that's it for United Health. Just I'm waiting to see what is going to happen on Monday and the rest of the week. Now S&P 500 VOO, we've got a few support levels. Right now we did test the $594.8 and we came back down to, and we closed at $591.57. Now if we do test the 587.88, we could jump back up again and try to break the resistance level at $594.8. But if we do break below, then I'm anticipating to trade in this gap here, and maybe we could retest the $568.99. But as we said on the previous video, ETF are safer to invest. So if we do come down, that's a 3.51% down. It could go. We could have a 10% down on stocks, ETFs, or anything, right? But you can see how much it minimizes the percentage and the risk of your investment. So in order for S&P 500 to come down $20.76, it's only 3.51% of your account that you're going to be minus. But though 20.76, for example, for a single stock, it's way much more money-wise, and I will show you right here, right now. So that covers, I believe, S&P 500 VOO. I'm just waiting to see if we do retest this support level and bounce back up, or if we do break below and head towards the $568.99. Now, if I show you right here, for example, a single stock, in order for it to come $20 down, and I'm taking Nvidia, $20, let's say 20.38, right? The same kind of price, the same dollars, if it comes down, it's an 11.29% down, right? So it's absolutely, it's higher the volatility, let's say, on this, and the higher risk from an ETF. But if you have invested, like for example in this area here, you don't have to worry about it, and when it comes down, you can have money in your on the side and invest back on lower prices, and then at the same time it goes up, that means more profits. And yes, so I believe that covers everything. Unfortunately, we're going to do 2 videos on this one because we don't have another stock requested, and we are going to talk our next video about XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and I'm going to explain to you about the fear, the greed, and the noise out there. So I hope you liked so far the charts, guys. They're really simple. I'm not withdrawing any kind of further lines. I'm trying to keep it as simple as I can to explain it and try to get ready for the market the upcoming week. If I did though take more lines and showed you, that wouldn't matter. Like we can see if it is an uptrend or if it is on a downtrend, right? But if you do guys want more lines and more explanations, let me know down below in the comments and I will add them. But I'm trying to make it as simple as I can, and you can have both perspectives of where it can go, and if it goes where, then what's the next step. So that's it. I'm going to see you soon on our next video. This is going to be uploaded in a couple of hours and it's going to be out there to watch it. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. It's already 5 p.m. in UK, so have a great day. Happy Sunday back again, and we'll talk on our next video with the crypto. So take care, guys, and until then, bye bye.